Hi people, this video will show you how the Thunderbird contact synchronization app works. What you see here is a normal PC running a Windows 10. I'm making the assumption that the Thunderbird email client is already installed and that you are familiar with it. Furthermore, I presume that you have also installed the Thunderbird Contact Sync app from the App Store. In order to establish a connection between your PC and your iPhone or iPad, it is necessary to download a small Windows application. This application you will find at the internet address abomberger.com. So let's start. So open a browser of your choice and jump to the web page abomberger.com. In the lower right corner you will find a download button. Press this button and this executable will be downloaded. Go to your downloads folder and double click the self-extracting executable. Confirming the installation program with the continue button, this application will be installed. For transmitting any addresses from Thunderbird email client to your iOS device, you have to export your address books. So let's start the Thunderbird email client. Press the address book button and on the left side mark an address book of your choice. Press extras and export this address book. In this case, I'll export it to the desktop. Now you have to launch the previously downloaded Windows application. In order to do this, type here Thunderbird into the search bar of your Windows system and you will see the Thunderbird iPhone Sync. Start the application and what you see here is now in the first line the IP address of your PC, a port number and a button labeled click here to open CSV file. Click this button and look for the previously exported address book from your Thunderbird email client. Now it's time to start your Thunderbird app at your iOS device. After typing in the correct IP address, which you'll see here in the first line of your Thunderbird app at the PC, press the connect button. What might happen is that a message box comes up at your iOS device telling you that there is a connection error. This happens due to the fact that your Windows firewall blocks any access to your PC. In order to resolve this firewall issue, go to Settings, press Update and Security, choose Windows Security, select Firewall and Network Protection, and click on the first line, Allow an app through the firewall. An application will appear showing all Windows applications allowed to communicate through the Windows Defender firewall. Look for the Thunderbird App Windows counterpart, and if you can't find it, press the Change Settings button. Press Allow another app and browse for this application. You will find it under Program Files x86 ABAB. Mark the application and Edit. Make sure that a checkmark is set in front of Thunderbird iPhone app Windows counterpart. Confirm the settings and everything should be set up. Now it's time for a new attempt. So press the Connect button on the right side of your navigation bar of the iOS device, and you will see that the background of the PC application changes. As soon as you press the Continue button on the navigation bar, you will see that the iOS device is disconnected, but the data is already transmitted. If you still can't get a connection to your PC with your iOS device, the reason might be a commercial antivirus program. So check the settings if the firewall of these commercial programs, maybe Kaspersky, Norton, McAfee and so on, are still blocking any access to your PC. So read the manual, disable this firewall and try again. Keep in mind that this application is capable of handling thousands of contacts. So you can use any CSV output of a database system if you import them into your Thunderbird email client and export it again as a CSV file prepared to be transmitted. Also keep in mind to create a group name for the transmitted addresses before you start synchronizing. If something goes wrong, you will never spoil your address books because you can delete the whole group containing the addresses. If you have any problems or questions, don't hesitate to send me an email. Thanks a lot for watching this tutorial. Bye.